Welcome back to Creative Craft 757. Today we are going to make this snow globe out of clay. We are going to be using two tools, a cutter and a roller. We are going to be using 4 colors: light gray, white, brown, and dark green. Let's get started. So first we're going to take our light gray and just flatten it. Like that. And then we will take our dark green and our cutter and roll it. Then we will take our cutter and we will cut a little triangle and just a little bit of an indent, then a little bit bigger triangle, and another little indent, and then a little bit other bigger triangle. Then not any indents, just a full cut. So then it'll look like this. And then we will put these 2 things to the side. And then we'll take our white, rip off a little piece, and then roll it out like this. Take off the rest. And then flatten it. This one doesn't have to be that straight because this will be the snow, and snow is not perfect. Then you just put that right onto the bottom. And then put the rest into the back. Like that. And then round it out a little bit more. Like that. Then we will put the tree on like this. Put it a little bit over the snow, like that. And take a smidge of brown. It's too much. You could always take it off. And then roll it into a little oval and then just stick it underneath the tree like that. And then you can make indents in the snow. You don't have to, but only if you want to. Like that. And now we will do the snowflake. So we will take our white and then take off a little bit and roll it into the side like this. So you have to have 3 off. Then this one will make an oval. Then you will put that towards the bottom of the tree. Then the other one will be another oval, but a little bit towards the top on the edge. And another little one, and then that will be towards the top. So it looks like that snow is on the tree. So like that. And then we will take our white again and then make a little bit even tinier snowflakes, but this time inside circles. Then just stick them wherever you want on here. You can even do them overlapping on the tree too. And last one. So it'll look like this so far. And now we will do the bottom, like the stand. So we could take not about that much or a little bit more if you're doing a bigger type of snow globe. And roll it out. Flatten it, and pull it over like that, and then you will take your cutter again and make sure that it's not straight but add a little tilt like that. And then you could just round it out so it's not that pointy, and then just stick that on too. And then you are done. So then you have your snow globe. Now let's bake. My polymer clay package tells me to bake for 275 degrees Fahrenheit, but yours might be different. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you next time.